Hello, everyone. I'm seeing a lot of people here. Hey, Space Coding. Hey, Levshika. Hey, Lisa. Hey, Jose. How are you? How are you doing? Thanks for waiting. Thanks for being here, for watching this. Uh, Hello, everyone that haven't said anything on the chat, and for you that is watching this later on. Please feel welcome. We're starting this 2.0 hackathon at SuperViz. And my name is Vitor Norton. I'm dev advocate here at SuperViz, and I'm gonna show you a little bit how this hackathon will play out. What is SuperViz? What's the challenge? Give you some tips and tricks and everything that you need to be ready to go for to hack. So let me do a quick start on a quick overview about our current hackathon that we're starting right now. So it starts today and it goes 10 days of hacking. You're gonna have 10 days of hacking. So it would end next Sunday, October 27th. It will be 100% online on Discord. If you haven't joined yet SuperViz Discord, please do it now. Um, Another thing is the prize. We are gonna give five $500 for the third place, $1,000 for the second place, and $3,500 for the first place. So this is a huge prize on the desk. Who's gonna win? Maybe one of you. So today, after this quick overview, let me present you the challenge, our platform, some other details, and tips and tricks. Let's go. So our challenge this time is real-time meets AI. Artificial intelligence is transforming many sectors, and the real-time communication is no exception. With this challenge, we invite you to integrate AI with one of our components. That's the real-time engine, pushing the boundaries of interactive communications. How do you do that? Okay. First of all, let me give you more details about our challenge. Uh, Whether it's enhancing an existing platform or developing a new application, so you can work with a platform that you already have, uh, or you start from scratch. Our goal is to integrate AI into real-time communication using SuperViz. I'm going to talk more about this real-time, what this is, in a bit, so stay tuned. You can utilize any language model such as GPT, Gemini, Llama, or Cloud to create innovation tools that elevate real-time experience. Okay, so any language model is good to go. So you can build AI-powered chatbots. So it can be a single chatbot that answers to prompts that you say that you use with GPT, Cloud, or Gemini, or it can be a group chat with an artificial intelligence there being their assistant for the group chat and pick up the data or collect all of the data and bring a summary later on. So chatbots and chat applications is one way to go, but we can push the boundaries a little bit and add AI in collaborative text editors. So you can add add it add to any application that's a collaborative environment. So let me show you a quick example like Notion, where you can select a piece of text and change the tone, make it longer, make it shorter, ask for continue to write. You can use AI with that integrated in that text editor. You can also make this, let's say, for Excel, spreadsheets, for PowerPoint, or anything else. Anything collaborative related, and anything your creativity unleashes, okay? Another good example is GitHub Copilot, where you are in this live experience with the chatbot that understands the position of the cursor, the context of the file, and it creates the code for you in just a tab click. You will have it done in no time. So this is some of applications that uses AI with real time that can be created using our SuperViz platform. Another great example is to create a meeting dashboard. We also have this video SDK that you can add video calls, video meetings, video conference to your application. Uh, and in the end, you can get the recording of the call, and with the recording, you can have the transcription and AI transcript as well. What does this mean? It means you can get action items, summary, get topics, follow ups, everything that you need to understand about the conversation. So this is also something you can do with SuperViz. Okay, so this is a little bit about the challenge. Let me talk more about what is SuperViz and what we can do for you. So we kind of have three main components: the collaboration component, AI-powered video SDK, and real-time data engine. I'm gonna go a little bit in each one of them. So the collaborative components elevates collaboration with a comprehensive toolkit like adding synced form elements, seeing who is online at the page, seeing the mouse pointers of everyone on the page like you would see on Figma or Miro, add contextual comments to a specific HTML element or a 3D environment. It's pretty simple to use our API. This is a snapshot of the code of one code that we have in our samples repository. I will share the link later. But this has like you create a room where you pass the developer key, um, room ID that can be any ID that you want. Everybody that it is in the same ID. Let's say you are watching this on YouTube live streaming. You have this ID of the video, and everyone here is in the same room. So you can create participants, like everyone here has a name and has an ID, and then you create components and add it to the room. In just a few lines of code, you can add and see who is online to the page, sync their mouse pointers, sync form elements, uh, and more to come. I just a quick bonus. We have 3D support for 3JS, Autodesk, and Matterport. So if you want to do anything with these platforms, would be awesome. But it's just a bonus point of our platform. Another thing that we have, and I told you a little bit earlier, is the video SDK that you can add video to a platform. But I'm gonna pick three great features that we have. There is the collaboration mode that allows you to have this video chat application going on in the corner of your application. It also can be on the top, on the bottom, on the other corner, but you can chat with everyone and still um, write and still collaborate, you still view the page that you're seeing without needing to switch tabs or anything else. We also has the recording and transcript AI that by the end you can get topics, follow-ups, questions, and much more. To add video conference to your application, the same thing. You have a room, but you add a video conference. Okay, just 2 lines of code after you create the room, and you have a video conferencing application. We also has this real-time data engine, and this is quite new because we have updated and released something. Uh, I say 30 minutes ago, something like that. So this is brand new. You guys are gonna be the first one to try. But let me tell you a little bit about real time, and then I will show you what's new. Okay. So what is real time? Real times enable online gamings, allowing you to have a multiplayer session, uh, real time leaderboards, live game status updates. You can also have these collaborative modes where you have these quizzes and polls, collaborative coding platforms, real-time document editors, Canvas and whiteboard collaboration platforms. You can also use it to create live charts like monitoring IoTs, monitoring pipelines, everything you want. Create alerts, push notifications, and even use it to live trading platform. And also you can use our tool to create an app chat. Okay. uh, Two features that we have a pub sub API. That means I will show you a code in just a little bit, that you can publish and subscribe to events, and also we have an API and a webhook that can listen and publish events whenever you are. So this is a quick brief of this code that we have pushed to production a few moments ago. This is quite new, so we kind of released this package, SuperViz slash RealTime. Uh, we did this because we want to elevate the possibilities, and this way um, you have more ways to create and innovate using SuperViz. So we have this new package going on, but the idea remains the same. You initialize the real time by saying the participant, the name of the participant, the ID of its participant. You pass the developer key, and then you connect to a channel. Everyone that is connected to a channel, to the same channel, is listen. It works kind of similarly like the rune ID that we see before. So you can subscribe to an event. Let's say someone pushes an event saying the event name single event. When someone pushes it, you go to this callback function for when the event is dispatched. So you can create this callback function on line 19 that will receive the message and log the message on the console. Uh, in this code, you can also publish event. We have this click of a button on our HTML that publishes the event. You pick up the text, and then you just channel publish to the same channel name, and you say the message. So this can be if someone starts typing and the other person will see like, oh, someone is typing. You can use it to create anything, almost anything. um, you can unleash your creativity. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about some resources that we have for you to make it easier, to make it simple for you to understand and to start creating in no time. So we had this samples repository. Let me show you a little bit here. Haha. I will share the link here on chat. Oh, it went. Great. So we have this repository that you can use and see by JavaScript or TypeScript. If you go on JavaScript, you see usage with React, with Vanilla, with CDN. And when you enter in any of these folders and of these directories, you will see a sample of each one of our components. So if you want to understand more about how real-time works, how to start using it, you can just go over here. You have the code right here. Okay, you have the code right here. The same code I showed you before. You can just clone it and npm install, npm start. Pretty simple to any of our components. You can also stack components in each in a room, so you can add who is online, to mouse pointers, and add it to former elements and create a huge environment for you. Okay. Another resource that we have is a set of tutorials that we have in our documentation. So if you go to our docs.superviz.com, let me tell you, docs.superviz.com. You can see tutorials on how to build real-time data dashboard, how to build notifications, how to create a multiplayer chess with React. And you can also use this as inspiration, like, let's say, for multiplayer chess. Instead of playing with someone else, you can play with an AI. And you can like set it up a little bit of the AI before the game, like, oh, pretend to be a 5-year-old children playing chess with me. So you can use this as inspiration. Okay. You, of course, I will recommend our documentation as well to see every event that we have, every method that we have, every function, every variable, every flag. Everything can help you unleash to see unleash your creativity to build something else, something amazing. And of course, we are on Discord, and let me present you a couple of people here besides myself. Tommy, our amazing CEO, and Carlos, our tech lead. We are all on Discord. Our company runs on Discord actually, so we pay attention every single day, every time. If you type something there, we will see. So feel free to reach out to any of us to take questions, to if you need any help and assistance, just ping any of us. Okay. We're also gonna to have Ask Me Anything sessions that will happen on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at the same time of this live streaming. We will be at a voice channel at Discord. It can be in Portuguese. We know that a lot of people from Brazil, so we can be in Portuguese and also in English. Um, Feel free to reach out, feel free to join in. We can prep coding. I can suggest something to you. We can I will do my best to help everyone. We're also going to provide support and feedback any day and everywhere. So if you want feedback, one of the judges is our CEO, Tommy. So if you want feedback from him and say, "Oh, what do you think?" He can you can ask direct it to him, and he will give you feedback before the judgment, before the final day. And of course, it has all of you. So this is a community. Feel free, feel welcomed. We're here to help everyone. Okay, so I gave you the challenge. I gave you what is SuperViz, some resources. Uh, Now it's with you. So the hacking period starts right now to October 27. Everyone will have a free paid account. So the pro account of SuperViz you have will have no charges on it. Okay, so you can code and go to production without charges. Okay, please create your account right now. Uh, we also require the project to be in English or provide an English translation. Okay, this is important for us to be able to review your code, to review your project. The project must include our real-time feature or our video SDK. Okay, your project should be published and available from a URL to be used until the winner's announcement date. We don't need the code, we don't need the source code, we just need to see it running. You and everyone of your team must be registered to have your submission valid. How do you submit a project? We have this channel on GitHub, on not on GitHub, on Discord called Showcase, where you can by October 27th at 11:59 p.m. in Seattle time. I think that's PDT. Um, you need to have the project description, a description on how you use SuperViz, a link for us to see to play with your project, screenshots, and the recording of the usage and the list of team members. If your project requires a login process, a registration of an account, please provide to us the details. You can send DM to me, to Tommy, to Carlos, to anyone of the team. Um, we need details on how to access. So please create an account for us and make sure everything's set up for us to test your application. The judging criteria will be innovation, disruption, and creativity. That means you don't need to have the fanciest design, you don't need to have a final product. It can be just a concept. Okay? We are not judging a final product. It can be just a concept. We also value collaboration, even though this is a competition. So, engagement with others, participating on Ask Me Anything, participating on this live streaming, requesting feedback, sending feedbacks, everything will be great seen. So, if you uh, if there's a tie on the judging uh, process, we will give awards and points to those who have more engagement with this whole party that is the Super Hackathon 2.0. So this is pretty much what you need to know. Now let's go to the extras. Let's go to some tips and tricks. Are you a team player or want to fly solo? Okay, you can fly solo. You can have as many people as you want on our team. If you're looking for a team player, ping the hackathon channel on Discord, ping us, and we will help you find someone to team it up. Okay, the award will be split in equally parts to everyone. Can I compete with an existing platform already built? Yes, you can. Uh, you have to have an authorization to do so, but you can. Will there be any pizza? Unfortunately, no, but you can enjoy your own pizza while hacking. I'm pretty sure we'll order some pizza here from home. And this is pretty much it. We can't wait to see the fantastic projects you will come up with. Uh, we had an amazing hackathon early on this semester, so we had these amazing projects, these really creative inspirational projects. We are really hopeful to see what we will create. Thanks so much for watching. Happy coding!